joy of living for me is to know what is your level of enough. Everybody should know what enough means. It's contentment. The joy of life for me is this level of contentment. And you know what? It's amazing because this place is only 3 years old.
Yes.
And to achieve that serenity in 3 years, for me, it's mashallah phenomenal. Well, I started many years ago. I was always a very greedy little girl. Food excites me. I love food. I've never smoked. I've never drunk. But I have always cooked, and I became very quickly one of the leading chefs in the UK. As a woman, I care very much the food to be light, vibrant, zesty, delicious above all, but to be food for health, food for the whole family. Because you are what you eat. And being here at JOALI, it's just heaven, because it is exactly the same ethos, the same idea, the same intention. You know, we are very much in symbiosis, we are very much in partnership here. I wanted to create something very new, very different for JOALI, especially after the pandemic. Everybody is now seriously and very closely watching what they're eating. So my menus are above all delicious, but they are probiotic menus. They are menus filled with superfoods. They have a lot of elements of fermentation, which are very good for the gut. So, in other words, all the food I do, it's actually food for the gut, food for the microbiome.